welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a video for my sample Saturday series. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So today's sample that I am trying is this Darphin Hydraskin Light Cream Gel. So it's like a moisturizer. So it's meant to be like an all-day moisturizer. It comes in this little packet here. So it's just like this. So I actually put this on last night and I have just got out of bed, brushed my hair, got changed, grabbed myself coffee and just sitting down before I do my morning skincare routine to show you guys what my skin looks like the day after. So my skin feels really nice and soft and smooth. So it just comes out just like a general moisturizer. It's not super thick, it's not super runny. It's, you know, a nice texture. I did use probably 3/4 of this tube to put it all over my face, and it dried down quite nicely and quite quickly, and my skin is feeling extra smooth and soft today. So it's definitely done what it says it will. I do feel a bit oily on my T-zone here, so my nose and just here. But my actual forehead and my cheeks and my chin all feel really nice. So I think it's definitely done the job. It's definitely hydrated my skin. My skin was looking a bit dry. I haven't been taking the best care of my skin lately. So it was looking a little bit worse for wear. But this morning I think it's looking really good. I do have some spots at the moment. I've got one here and one there. So it has softened them down quite a bit as well, and they're not so bright and red, so that is good. It'll be easier to cover it with makeup when they're softer and not so like scabbed or anything like that. Yeah, so I really liked this product. It does have a strong scent though, so that was the only downside I found. Was it was quite florally, and that was quite strong. I wasn't prepared for that. I just put it on my face without smelling it, and yeah, it was quite strong, but it went away within like maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And yeah, then I didn't notice it after that. But my skin is definitely feeling beautiful this morning, really nice and silky smooth. Absolutely really nice. So I definitely love this product. It's definitely one that I could foresee myself purchasing in the future. But I do also like my Dermalogica, and I've already got all of that at the moment. So I'm going to continue using my Dermalogica. But it's definitely one that I'll put on my list for when I'm looking to repurchase products, to work out which one I want. So this was the Darphin Hydraskin Light Gel Cream. So it's an all-day skin hydrating cream gel. Really, really nice. Feeling really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.